13 minus 4 gives us 9. And again 13 minus 4 gives us 9. And 9 times 9 is equal to 81. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, and we have to solve multiplication before subtraction. So let's go back into our problem. Here we have subtraction, multiplication, and subtraction. And the first thing to solve is the multiplication in this problem. So 4 times 13 is 52. And 13 minus 52 minus 4 is going to be the next equation. So 13 minus 52 gives us negative 39. And negative 39 minus 4 is equal to negative 43. So the final answer to this question is negative 43.